Short stack, cold as every shark. Circles twice, they laugh at my seat. Dead money, easy bleed. Burnt ships, scarred hands, folded years. Broke plans, but I'll still lead every state. Loaded up on one more swag. Zero to hero, the comeback king. From dust to thunder, hear my name ring. All in our rise on a busted swing. From zero to hero, I'm the comeback king. Flop comes, red heart race. Stonehead, check, check. Trap set, they don't know what they meant. Stack grows like a storm, every pot. Reborn, I was ash, now I sting. Take the crown, I claim that thing. Yeah! Zero to hero, the comeback king. From dust to thunder, hear my name ring. All in our rise on a busted swing. From zero to hero, I'm the comeback king. Every crack, every sound. Now the river starts to sing. Push it in, let it swing. Whoa. Zero to hero, the comeback king. From dust to thunder, hear my name ring. All in our rise, let the table spin. From zero to hero, I'm the comeback king. Comeback king. We were wild little banshees, mud right up to our knees. Tracking boots through Mammy's clean floor. Daddy's veins started twitching. You've been begging for a switch in. Every slam of that back screen door. Kitchen drawers start rattling. Every brother disappears, but you're still laughing in the hallway till you hear those footsteps near. Line us up in the backyard, sunshine blazing, wooden spoon waving like a flag for the crazy. We earned every stripe, every dance, every shout, getting schooled by the tools when the Saints clocked out. Hey, that backyard bell parade. Hey. We were howling, we were proud, we were half afraid. Yeah, we laughed and we ran, then we turned out fine. Raised on stubborn hearts and a crooked line. Man would swing that spoon like a sword. Don't be chewing on the ironing cord. Little sparks in the Sunday gloom. Leather hanging on the back of the door. Big brass buckle like a warning roar. Kept the circus out of our room. Shoelace snap on the doorstep. Washing peg to the wire. We were jumping in the soapy bucket like we just touched fire. Line us up in the backyard, sunshine blazing, wooden spoon waving like a flag for the crazy. We earned every stripe, every dance, every shout, getting schooled by the tools when the Saints clocked out. Hey, that backyard bell parade. Hey. We were howling, we were proud, we were half afraid. Yeah, we laughed and we ran, then we turned out fine. Raised on stubborn hearts and a crooked line. We were first to start the trouble. Last to feel the sting, still we'd poke the sleeping dragon just to hear him sing. Grab the nettles with your fingers, or you'll feel it on your hide. We wore every welt like a medal, tiny monsters full of pride. Line us up in the backyard, sunshine blazing, wooden spoon waving like a flag for the crazy. We earned every stripe, every dance, every shout, getting schooled by the tools when the saints clocked out. Hey, head backyard bell parade. Hey. We were howling, we were proud, we were half afraid. Yeah, we laughed and we ran, then we turned out fine. Raised on stubborn hearts and a crooked line. This ain't a weed channel, never said it was. We just hit that record, turned the kitchen to a buzz. Laugh too loud at nothing, spill pints on the floor. Neighbors banging on the ceiling, we just play a little more. We self-medicate, we self-medicate. Sing it out, shake it out, feel the pressure break. We self-medicate, we self-medicate. Little rebel heartbeat dancing while we misbehave. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Green flag on the wall, lying on my teeth, fiddle on a backbeat, got the whole crew off key. Bad jokes, big grins, red eyes, big dreams, turn our scars into stories and our stories into screams. Hey! We self-medicate, we self-medicate. Sing it out, shake it out, feel the pressure break. We self-medicate, we self-medicate. Little rebel heartbeat dancing while we misbehave. Pass the mic, pass the time, pass the hurt we never named. In the smoke of our excuses, we can almost outrun shame. But the laughter's real, the hug is real, the song cuts through the haze. If it gets us through the evening, we can face another day. We self-medicate, we self-medicate. Sing it out, shake it out, feel the pressure break. We self-medicate, we self-medicate. Little rebel heartbeat dancing while we misbehave. Oh, 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 oh. Stacks on the desk, silver and sleeve, little velvet trays, dates I can't read. Lamp on low, he's lost in the shine. Says, look at this mid-mark like it's frozen time. Every coin got a story, he remembers them all. We just start laughing, then we hear him call. Y'all talk too much while he's rolling through those dimes and such, hitting home his madness. Down every touch, he's the quiet one, but he runs this room badge on his shirt, name on the door. He can fix your whole world with a line of code. Server room hums like a low bass tone, but he's happiest with that old copper glow. We start up a story, he just shakes his head, spins that quarter on the table, then he looks and says, "Y'all talk too much," while he's rolling through those dimes and such, hitting home his manners and count every touch. He's the quiet one, but he runs this room as such, clicking keys, counting coins, saying, "Y'all talk too much." Talk too much, yeah, but you still ride with us. Deck on the table, chips in a leaning stack. Empty chairs humming with the ghosts of past tense. Clock on the counter blinks another late hour. We shuffle the same old stories, wearing the same old frowns. Residency got us waiting, cards in our hands, hearts in our throats. This was supposed to be something, now it's just jackets, stale jokes. Residency got us fading from that fire we swore would stay. We were ready to lose it all, they were ready to drift away. mine, where the smoke and stories stay. For every time we were all in, not drifting so far away. Residency got us waiting. Residency got us
Bark. Good girl.